that's right. Walk, don't run, take it slow. Hold my hand, off we go. Big kids swim without one on. I want mine to be gone. Mom says, come with me. Let's take a look and see. Can your feet touch down low? No, Mom, they don't go. Life jacket on, safe and sound. Now let's splash all around. Lazy river, here I go. Moving fast, whoa, whoa, whoa. Water pushing round the bend. Mom is here, my best friend. Stay with grown-ups every day. That's the safest splash day way. Splashing, laughing, having fun, playing in the summer sun. Family smiles, memory time, looking at pictures side by side. Splash.